In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Roblox error code 403. Now first what we want to do is come down here and open up our task manager, go to details and find Roblox. So press R and look for the Roblox. There should be a Roblox crash handler and Roblox player. Let's end these and there we go. Now after this what you want to do is you want to go down here and search for run. Open up percentage local app data percentage, press OK. And from in here, what you want to do is scroll down until you find Roblox. Now delete this folder just like this. And don't worry about deleting it because it's going to regenerate again when we open the game. Then you want to try and run Roblox and see if this fixes your issue. Now what else we can try is come down here, search for VPN and make sure you're not connected to a VPN. Now another thing you can try is come down here and search for firewall. From the firewall what you want to do is allow an app. Then you want to change settings, allow another app and press browse. And then you want to look for your Roblox. Now I have mine on my D drive, so you simply want to find the Roblox and then go into versions and choose the latest version. And then you want to choose the Roblox player beta. Press open and it's going to be added in here. Now once you've added in here, let's say the racer is the Roblox, you want to enable both private and public. Now after you've done this, another thing you can try is come down here and open network, come to change adapter options, right click on your network, disable and then enable right after. And now as the last option what we can try is come down to apps and features, search for Roblox and then simply uninstall and reinstall it. Now I really hope any of these helped fix your issue. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.